Next, we have RAAYAT. Okay, RAAYAT means community. Okay, now we have a double vowel, so we divide this by syllables. So we have ra, a, and yat. So there are 3 syllables. So we have how many consonants? 1, 2, 3. So let's add them. So R is ra, then ya, and lastly ta. But we have a double vowel, and this alif stands alone because it is inside one syllable, so we need to add the alif inside it. Okay, so let's write them from right to left. So let's start with ra. Ra, its baris is a, so it's above, so taas, ra. Then we add the alif, which stands alone, and its baris is also a, so it's above, ra-a. Then we write the ya. What's its baris? Its baris is a, so it again taas, ra-aya, and lastly we have the ta, which has no baris, so its baris patay. So ta is baris patay. So that's how you write RAAYAT. We spell it as ra hataas ra, alif hataas a, ra-a, ya hataas ya, munuk pata yat, RAAYAT. Okay, how do we connect them? Remember, ra in alif belongs to the 4 letters that we cannot write another letter after, which is adro, alif, dal, ra, waw. So ra in alif, so we cannot connect them, so we'll just write them as is. So ra, a, and then we have ya in ta, we can connect them. So RAAYAT. So ra ataas ra, alif ataas a, ya ataas ya, munuk ta yat. That's how you write RAAYAT in Sulat Sug. Subscribe for more.